What's up, party people? It's Crypto Conkite with your crypto 2-minute ticker. Markets are absolutely surging right now. The cryptocurrency market is in full rally mode. Bitcoin is up over 5% in the past day, shattering its previous record to trade around $118,000, while Ethereum has broken above $3,000, its first time this year, up 7%. Now, unlike the retail-fueled peaks of past cycles, this surge is being driven by deep pocket players, institutional investors, and crypto whales riding a wave of optimism. Massive inflows into newly launched spot Bitcoin ETFs aided the unprecedented political pressure in the U.S. for looser monetary policy, example calling for interest rate cuts. So in short, today's rally rests on more big-time money, momentum, and structural support rather than a short-term retail frenzy. This more restrained, spot-driven breakout with Bitcoin's market cap now above $2.3 trillion has analysts suggesting it may be more sustainable than previous hype cycles. So you may be asking, where's all this money coming from? Well, institutional ETF flows are a big reason. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. have seen 16 straight days of inflows, showing strong institutional demand. Whales are accumulating heavily, especially in altcoins like Algo, Link, and Uni. Retail traders are returning, but remain cautious. Only about 15% of Bitcoin is held by new entrants, leaving room for future FOMO-driven buying. Now, crypto inflows are global as well. Asia is active with growing volumes. Europe is expanding regulated products, and mainstream adoption is rising as companies like Emirates Airlines and JP Morgan embrace crypto. New crypto-friendly policies worldwide are fueling further institutional participation. Some top news events over the last 24 hours. Obviously, Bitcoin's over $118,000, triggering a $1 billion short squeeze, including $570 million in Bitcoin shorts. The surge was fueled by liquidations of spot buying, keeping leverage low, a healthy market sign. Now, Ethereum has finally made some moves, over $3,000 now. Momentum was driven by optimism around Ethereum ETFs, a bullish Fidelity report, and a squeeze on Ethereum shorts. ETH is now eyeing $3,200 resistance after crossing $3,000. XRP has surged over 8%, right now around 264, its highest since May, amid whale accumulation and positive news. Ripple stablecoin RLUSD hit $500 million in market cap, and optimism is growing over potential XRP ETFs and regulatory clarity. In other key news, Polygon upgraded its network to speed up block finality to 5 seconds. U.S. lawmakers are holding crypto regulation hearings. Crypto-linked stocks rallied alongside Bitcoins, but ARK's Cathie Wood took profits, trimming Coinbase and Robinhood holdings. Overall, crypto market remains in the rally mode on strong news, technical breakouts, and regulatory developments. Some biggest altcoin movers, obviously Ethereum's doing well, Ripple's doing over 264, Dogecoin's up 8% to 19 cents, gaining 30% from recent lows with 20-cent resistance in sight as retail interest in Musk buzz returns. Shiba Inu is up 6%, buoyed by upgrade rumors and increased token burns, closely tracking Doge's momentum, and Pepe is up 14% as traders dive into speculative bets, meme coins, during this surge. Other notable, Solana, 3 to 4% gain, around $164, up 25% this month. Cardano and Polymatic, so decent gains. Pudgy Penguins up 69% this week, and up 20% this week. So altcoins are rallying as the money may be starting to rotate out of Bitcoin and fueling the altcoin season even more. So hot sectors seeing the most growth: DeFi, AI tokens, meme coins, layer 2 scaling, and real-world assets. That tokenization is exploding, surpassing $25 billion in value, up 245 times since 2020. Institutions are driving growth like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and others, launching tokenized treasury and credit funds aided by regulatory clarity in key regions. Real-world assets is a new one of crypto's fastest growing sectors. So indicators to look for of an altcoin season brewing: 98% of altcoins have kicked in the door, with many up 20 to 40% versus Bitcoin, a classic early altcoin season signal as investors rotate profits from Bitcoin into riskier altcoins. Bitcoin's market dominance has also slipped from 66% to 64% this week, suggesting faster capital inflows into altcoins. A further drop would confirm the shift. Whales are also aggressively accumulating altcoins like Link, Uni, and Algo, typically a sign of confidence. The Total 3 index, which is the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, bounced off key support levels and is approaching a 50-week moving average, signaling recovery and trend reversal. And then Ethereum breaking $3,000 is pivotal. ETH, the Bitcoin strength, is rising, boosting confidence and feeling capital rotate into smaller altcoins, which is a key historical trigger for alt season. All signs point to a possible altcoin season emerging now. Still, seasoned traders warn that a true alt season, which is sustained by multi-month alternative coin rallies, requires these trends to hold. So in past rallies, altcoin strength has sometimes faded quickly. Bottom line, crypto momentum is clearly bullish. Bitcoin surge is driving the market, but capital is rapidly rotating into these altcoins and new sectors with strong fundamentals, institutional interest, and technical breakouts aligning. The stage is set for altcoins to take the lead The next few days could see this rally accelerate as the bulls charge beyond Bitcoin. That's your crypto 2-minute ticker. Hit subscribe to stay on top and be ready for that next drop.